Good morning, kids. It's me, Teacher Claire. I'm back, and today is Wednesday. Again, what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. Good. So, since today is Wednesday, we're going to discuss about, or we will have math lessons, and that would include learning about the concept of whole and one half. Okay? So I have here some pictures for us to start. I have here a whole orange. So yesterday we learned, or I showed you a picture of an orange, and I'm back with the same picture. I have here a whole orange. So what do we mean by whole? It means that there's nothing missing. It's not cut or sliced into parts or anything. It's just whole, okay? It's complete. Like this orange is so complete, okay? Now, when we say one half, look, this is an orange cut into half. Cut into half. So this one whole orange, if you cut it in two, then it will give us two one half. So this is what the one half part of an orange looks like. Okay, so that's one whole, and this is one half. So one half, it has the same size with the other half. Like, for example, this watermelon. This is a watermelon. Okay, let's write it down. Okay, I'm running out of. Okay, watermelon. This is a whole big watermelon. Okay, this is a watermelon, and I do love watermelon cakes. When you bring watermelon inside the classroom before, you always eat with me. So, yeah, this is watermelon. Look, it's big, it's whole, nothing's missing, it's not cut into halves, or it's not even. Yeah, it's not cut in any parts. So this is one whole. It's complete. It's intact. So that's what we call one whole, or a whole. Now, in the next picture, we have here a slice of a watermelon. Okay, this is a slice of a watermelon. It's not one half. I didn't draw one half because we're going to draw it together. So if we are going to slice the watermelon, it would look something like this. So we cut this into two, and you will see, I think there's a line here, and with many seeds. Okay, so this is a slice of a watermelon. It's not one half, but if we cut the watermelon into half with the same size, it's supposed to look like this. Okay? So again, one half and one whole. Wait. Okay. So this is one whole of a watermelon, and this is one half. Alright? I have here one more picture. This is what's this again? Okay, kids, by now you should know what shape is this. This is a triangle. Triangle. It's a shape. Again, triangle. Triangle. Okay. And next we have, so this is whole. This is a whole triangle. And here we have one half. So how did we have this one half? So you just need to cut this whole triangle into two in the middle. So here you go. We have your one half. Okay, so we have here one half. So I'll give you more pictures. Let's use this square. It's not a perfect square. Okay, this is a square. This is holes. This is a whole square. Now if we're going to take the one half, let's just cut it into two parts, the same size. So this will be the one half part. And there. So this is the one half of the square. Alright? So again, one whole, it's complete. here is complete. This one, a whole triangle, and one half looks like this. These are the one halves. Alright? So kids, that's it. That's for whole and one half. Later, let's see if you understand what we just discussed. So I'll give you some practice or some activity to do, and I'll help you out with that. Okay, so I'll see you later. Hello kids, I'm back. So it's time to have some activity for whole and one half. Before I give you something to do, let's again the one whole. We have one whole here and we have one half. So just a simple illustration of how we do it. This is a one whole sheet of paper. This is a one whole sheet of paper, right? So it's complete. Now, this is the same thing with the whole orange. So this is one whole and this is one whole, okay? Now we're going to make it into half. So how are we going to do that? Now, you can fold this paper into two, so they should be equal. Alright, equal, right? So, there, this is already one half. So, let's cut this paper into two parts. Alright, there. So, this is one half, this is one half, and if we connect them together, this will be one whole, okay? So, one half, then one whole. Alright, so I hope you understand what one whole looks like and one half. Again, one half is supposed to be as equal size as the other part of the whole, okay? So one half, and one whole. Alright, so here's what you're going to do. You are going to answer this. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so you just need to draw a line and cut these pictures into two to make it one half. Alright, so you just need to cut these pictures and then color one half. So for this one, I'll give you an example. So this is, what's this again? This is a heart. Let's cut this into two equal parts. Alright, this is already one half. Now you can color the one half of this heart shape and do the same thing for the rest. Okay? Again, do the same thing for the rest. So that's it for your practice. Again, you have to cut this whole pictures into two, draw a line, and then you can color the half of the picture. So you can do this on your notebook. So please bring up your notebook, colors and pencils, and then after that, please send me your answers, and I'll be waiting for that, okay? So there you go. That's for practice. I'll be back for your homework, and I'll give you something to do. So I'll see you later, kids. Bye! Alright, kids, I'm back for your homework. Now, please don't forget to send me your answers for your practice earlier because I'll be needing that. I will be happy to see those because you don't really send me your output. So please, kids, send me your answers so I can check it and for me to see if you're doing it the right way, okay? So for your homework, it's just simple on page 32 and 33 of your book. Alright. So for page 32, you just need to color the one whole. So here, which one shows one whole? So it's already easy. I already have it here. For number 1, this is an orange, one whole orange, and this is a one half orange. So you are going to color one whole. So color this. Next, you are going to color one whole. Okay. Next, color one whole, and next here you are going to color one half. Okay, one half. So which one is one half? Just an example here. This is a one whole apple. Now we cut this into half. It gives us two pieces of one half. So this is one half. This is one half. You are just going to color the one half part of the apple. Okay, I will help you out while doing this. I'll send you pictures and some examples on how you do it, and I will be also sending you some more activities during our class. So again, kids, that will be our homework. So again, this is 1 whole and this is 1/2. So please remember 1 whole and 1/2, okay? So that's your homework, and that ends our lesson today. I'll see you again tomorrow, Thursday. So see you kids.